Okay, for tonight, we are going to prepare. One of the important things as a server is to have a proper hygiene. The best hygiene that we could have. And for somehow, we are destined here in US base. And for somehow, they are very, very strict with regards to the public health and so on and so forth. They call it USPH, public health inspections as well. Again, hygiene is one of the top-notch no, na kinakailangan natin i-maintain. Kahit hindi naman tayo nagbabarko, kahit kung saan-saan po. Like for example, especially po you are handling food, kailangan talaga natin yung proper grooming. So one of this is to cut our nails. Anyways, this is a pocket size of everything. Everything that I need. It's a pocket size lang siya. Parang siyang wallet size, o, di ba? Napaka-handy niya. Okay. So with this, we have already our nail cutter itself. We have the nipper. Oh, we call it nipper. We call it, this is a pusher. Pusher ha. Huwag maging ano ha. And then this is the pang ano ng ilok. Buhok sa ilok. Or ilok. Kilikili pala. Or dito ba? Sa pangbalbas. May maliit din siyang scissor. Siguro kung gusto niyo, kung nagsusuka yun ng ano, sarili ninyong tela, kung may mga napunit na damit, isusun yung kit, hindi kailangan yun ng gunting. Ito, maliit na gunting. And so on. By the ways, okay, may mga compartment siya dito. Oh, tada! I don't know if you could have this brush, but when I bought this one, wala talaga siyang brush. So, bumili na lang ako ng sarili kong brush. But, luckily, it fits everything. Yeah, this is the most exciting or important part na nag-fit siya, everything. So, bumili ako ng another nipper na naman po. Kasi po, napaka-pro na ko sa ingrown. Kasi itong isa kasi, I don't know, I've never been used this one. And then, kailangan ko pa siguro siyang ipaahit. Kailangan ko pa siya ipa-sharpen and this. If you like this product, kindly visit my yellow basket. Nakapin na po doon lahat na pwede po ninyong i-order po.
Do not forget to follow this TikTok page and this Hi Vlog page for you to get notified for more videos to come. By the way, this is your Inday on board. See you for the next video.